is my good friend Casper. Okay, let's go. Oh shit! Can you believe this? Wow! Oh my goodness! This is coming from Subaru. I can't believe it. It's amazing. Wow. Okay, let's go. Let's see what she can do. It's gonna be a little shaky, but let's wait for the red light. Hold on. Let me see it go up and down. Going up. Now it's going down. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, it's clear now. Let's see how she sounds. Damn! BMW owner just got blown away. Wow, that was beautiful. Shut your mouth, you piece of shit.